Hello everybody, mokuna welcome back to my channel. If na the first time wey you dey jam my channel, welcome. Today I wan cook one very correct egusi soup wey dey call lumpy egusi soup, or you fit say egusi soup wey get seed. So the first thing wey be say I go do na the meat I go cook. So na turkey na I dey use. I wan wash the blood comot before I cook the thing. That's why I dey rinse am, no be say the thing dirty. I no dey like that brown thing wey dey form on top meat when you dey cook am. Na im make me dey rinse am comot. I feel say na the blood dey contribute. It's either I do am this way or first boil the meat, throw away the water before I start to dey cook the thing proper. So to cook the meat, I go add some pepper. I like to add pepper to meat, onions. Then I go still add seasoning cubes, salt. I go just mix am. I no go put any water. Na the water wey be say follow am come when I dey rinse am, and the water wey dey inside the meat, na im go cook the meat. No need to put plenty water. Turkey dey quick done before sef. One thing wey you need to know about turkey, if you no season am, e no dey sweet. Na meat wey be say no dey sweet by itself, e no be like nama. So season am the way you want make e taste. After I don cook the meat for 10 minutes, I think una see as water plenty inside. I no put water inside though. So I go just turn am so that the one wey dey for bottom go up, the one wey dey up go come bottom. Now the meat don ready for you to put for soup. You no need to cook the thing some more. If you finish am inside soup. So I just put small water so that I fit get meat water. If not, turkey no dey take time before e done. See, e don ready. So now I go start to cook soup. So as we don cook the meat finish, make I show una the other things wey be say I want to cook the soup. So this na egusi. I don already grind am na 2.5 cups now I go use. Then this one na 1.5 cups of palm oil. This na kale. If you dey Nigeria, you fit use ugu or any other leaf wey you like. Then this na bitter leaf. I get bitter leaf wey be say I plant for outside. E no dey too dey grow the way they grow for Nigeria. So when I dey wash am, I no dey wash the thing clean. So the thing still dey bitter. So na small I dey use, but I dey get the bitter leaf taste. Then this na uziza leaves, na dried ones. We no dey get the fresh ones for it, so na the dried one I wan use. But if you get fresh one, use am. Then I go use the large onions, seasoning cube, and salt. Then I go use periwinkle. Then pepper. Use pepper as much as you like. If you not like pepper, use less. So if this one not even pepper rich, I fit add more dried pepper. So I dey use dried shrimp and crayfish. I don't already select it. If you see it, dey very clean. The head no dey. I don't already select as a proper Delta person. We dey like whole crayfish for our food though. Then this na ground crayfish. Now some crayfish with the head of this and this one I take grind am. Then okporoko stockfish. So I dey like to cook am ahead of time, dey freeze am, because where we dey, oyibo people dey not dey too dey like all those kind of strong pungent smell. So I go just close my eye, cook am one time, then just put am for freezer. So I go freeze am separately from the water. So this na the water of the stockfish, and this na the stockfish. So make we cook the soup proper now. So make we start to cut the onions. I think una see as the onions huge well, big well. So if you get medium onions, you fit use 2. If you get small one, you fit use 3. So I will just first cut all of them, then come split them into 2. One I go fry half of it, then the other half I wan pound them. If you get a blender, if you blend them, or if you want use stone grinder, if you grind them. But I just want pound them because I want use the stone take do so many things today sef. As I don cut and finish, I'll come share am into 2. I go save the one wey I'll take fry with the oil, then the other one I'll come pound am. Like I tell una before, if you use blender do am, if you grind am with stone. This na wetin I wan do. When I don pound am finish, I'll come pound the pepper too. And if you dey wonder wetin make me cut am first before I pound am, na make the thing for smooth quickly. When I don pound the onions finish, I go come comot am from the stone, then pound the pepper. So if you dey wonder wetin make me not just pound the pepper and the onions, we dey see the plenty water wey be say comot for these onions. If I pound the pepper, the thing for the sight, e go sight full my body go come dey pepper me. I no want that one, so I go just pound the onions first, then pound the pepper. The pepper sef no dey take time to pound because I no wan make the thing smooth well, so I go just pound am make e just dey roughly, then I go just scoop am comot, so e no dey even dey take time. Una don even hear wey people dey talk say na the pepper wey dey grind with stone na im dey sweet pass don be say dey grind with blender. No be me talk am o, na so I dey hear am o, but if you don hear am or you believe am, come tell us in the comment section, come tell us wetin make you feel say na the one wey dey grind with stone na im sweet pass. So as I don grind am finish, I go come heat up the oil. So I dey cook am on top of medium heat, so the fire not too strong, e not too small. So when the thing don hot, I go come pour the onions, fry am for 3 to 5 minutes until e done, then add the pepper and the onions. You go still fry this one too for about 4 to 5 minutes too, and no forget to turn am the way they dey turn stew so that the thing no go burn o. Una remember say when I dey grind the pepper, I no add any water at all, so my own go quick dry. But if you add water for your own go take a longer time to dry. So the way I dey cook my lumpy egusi soup, I go first pour 1 cup of the ground egusi, fry am the way you dey fry egusi so that the thing go sweet. And as usual, you go sit down for there dey scrape the bottom make the egusi no burn. So if this na the first time wey be say you dey jam my channel, or you don dey use corner eye dey look my video since and you never subscribe, abeg na God I take beg you, subscribe. Just press that red subscribe button and that bell wey be say dey ring, press am. When you press am like that, anytime wey I post video, they go send notice come give you say I don post new video so that you come watch. Abeg invite your friends. No forget to like and share the video. Na God go continue to bless you. After I don fry am for about 6 minutes, I go come add the meat water, then the stockfish water, turn am, then I'll come lower the heat make the thing just dey cook slowly, then I'll come go handle the other remaining egusi. So I'll come pour about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water. You fit use warm water. I will come mix am well so that the thing go form. The thing no go be like water, e go form like clay wey dem wan mold. So when I don mix am finish, if water no reach, I go fit add small water. See as the thing suppose to look like as I dey do am now, so e suppose to look like. When I don do am like this finish, I go come pound am. I no go leave am like that. Everybody get the way that they cook their lumpy egusi soup, but this na the way we be say I learn how to do am. So I go just pound the thing go come thick pass like this sef. As I dey pound am, the thing go come start to dey produce more oil. I no know why dem no dey even make oil from egusi seed, because the thing get oil. I think una dey see as the thing dey shine so. So when I don do am finish, I'll come wash my hand, then cut am into small seed. If you want big one, you fit cut am to any size wey you like. The thing go even still break down sef. So when I don mold them finish, I go come transfer them into the pot of soup. So before then, I go first turn the soup. You know say the soup dey cook since I never turn am. So I go turn am, then pour the egusi inside, cover am make e cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I go still continue to cook am on the low heat and I no go turn am at all. After 20 minutes, I go come comot all the lumpy egusi. They go don done by now. So I go carefully scrape the bottom of the pot. Una know say I never turn am since, so some of them don gum to the bottom of the pot. Because I no wan make them break down quickly, I go comot them then add them later. Make I use this time hail and throway salute to everybody wey don subscribe. Una be correct people. After una na una again. I love una from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Now God go continue to dey bless una o. As I don comot all the egusi finish, I go come add the stockfish, then I go add the crayfish, I go also add the shrimp, mix am together, and I go also add the ground crayfish too. When you dey add all these crayfish, all these things wey dey make food sweet, when you dey add am quick for soup, your food go sweet. No dey wait till dying minute before you dey add am. I don add the turkey, so the thing go finish cooking inside the soup. and the soup go come enter the meat well well. I go add small water because the meat water not plenty. Then I'll come add the bitter leaf, then the uziza leaves. As they talk for worry, they no dey tell person to put maggi inside soup because you know say if maggi not dey, e no go correct. So I don put maggi. So I go just turn everything, make them mix well well, then I go let am cook. Because the soup no go take a long time to cook, everything don done and the thing no be water not plenty. So this time I go add the egusi. And not forget say we don already cook the egusi, e don already done enter. So the lump we don already create am. So now just to cover am and let am cook for a few minutes so that the flavor of the soup go enter the egusi. So after cooking it for a few minutes, I go come turn am. Egusi soup be like stew, you have to dey turn the thing every time, if not e go burn for the bottom. So after I don turn am small, I go come add the periwinkle. I go come cover am so that it go cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Like I tell you now before, you have to dey turn the thing, if not the bottom go burn. So after I don cook small, you go come turn the thing. Then I go use this time to check for salt. When I test am the thing need salt, I go add salt. So add salt to how you like salt. So I go just turn am so that the salt go mix well well with the soup. After I don turn am, I go come add leaf. So this na the last stage, the soup don already done. If you want maybe say the lump big like that, you know what make it break, make you wait till when the soup don done finish, wey be say you wan put leaf, now you go put am. But no how e go still break if you dey turn the thing go just break to small lumpy egusi. I not like to eat big egusi, so now make me put am quick. See as the face of the soup fine. Hey God oh, the soup no dey hungry you. See, when you watch the video finish, run go market go buy everything make you cook. So I just let am cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. The soup don already done and the vegetable dey quick done sef. So food don done oh, food don done. Lumpy egusi soup with 3 different types of leaves. No be only fine the soup fine oh, the soup sweet die. You know it as I dey cook the thing, you know say this soup sweet. And in case you no even believe me at all, why you not just cook this food for your family? Everybody go lick their finger, I promise you, and you go dey very proud of yourself. I thank everybody for watching the video. Till we jam again, make una stay kampe and may God continue to dey bless you. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Bye bye yo.